get those conniving blue
Oh,
God. Run, Sky.
I've done it. I've stolen the crunch berries from the rebels.
That means my plan has succeeded. With the Captain Crunch stolen, they will surely challenge us to a battle, and we shall destroy them. Let's go.
Let's go to the lab. Touch me, I'm an old man.
This battle is for the Captain Crunch. Whoever wins gets it.
Someone's sitting here crying. James, do it one more time and get closer to the camera this time. James! Come do it again. Really close to the camera. You're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Go, Brian! Yell victory!
Yes, victory!
Run, Brian!
Head on, apply directly to the forehead.
Head on, apply directly to the forehead.
Head on! Apply directly to his forehead. Head on! Apply directly to your forehead.
Head on! Apply directly to your forehead?
Head on. My forehead. Yes! I want to buy head on.
Head on, apply directly to your forehead.
Head on! Apply directly to your forearm. Listen to what he said.
Head on works great for me. Apply your
I'm gonna need some head on. Wow, I'm glad I had my head on. Hey. Glad I had my head on.
a push. Good thing I had my head on.
Head-on is a drug that should not be used with Pepsi Cola or other various sodas. Misuse of head-on will cause injuries, seizures, stomach problems, pain, lol noobs, or all of the above. If you start having these problems, lolcats will be stealing your burgers. Tee-hee lol. I enjoy head-on as well, even though I have not yet tried it.